Now, hopefully all that made sense and why you require to use these charts. What will happen if you don't use these charts is you will end up in a world of random trades of random sizes because you cannot quantify and turn random size bars into an automated algorithmic system of exact rules. You'll always be overcome with these random size trades that have nothing to do with anything. Whereas when you work in a linear pattern, it moves in exact ranges. Let's do some examples. Holy moly. Let's just start here, for example. And hopefully you keep tally of this because I don't want to write it down. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is our first trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. They're done. That was plus 20 or plus 10 in total because the cost. Next trade right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm pretty sure that one's 22. That's plus 10. Right here, entered sell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Nothing, 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 nothing. Okay, perfect. Another 10, so that's plus 30. So just see it fell back down. It did not go to our stop loss up here. See, it went up to 64. We entered at, it might have went to your, no, it didn't. It might have went to your stop. Yeah, so that's future looking bias. See, on this candle, you would have got in and John would have got in and Sarah and Mike, Steve, everyone would have got in. And all of us would have got in like the random ranges in this zone, right? We got random like here, 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 here. And then some of us got stopped out here. We're like, oh no. But some of us, our stop is up here because your mistake of taking too long to enter or your expertise at being very fast will work for and against you equally. The market is not biased. It's literally just data moving up and down. Therefore, you will statistically have times where future-looking bias helps you and it works against you. If you don't account for future-looking bias, those are one of those things that will take you a lifetime to figure out, and it's going to hurt a lot. This is not even an algorithm. These are just bars. No, what's happening is that inside of this strategy right here, it's filtering out a bunch of trades that shouldn't be happening based on the X-ray bars. So once you actually test this, these bars show you inside what actually happened. And then you run that through what's called a future-looking it's basically a play button that takes you through time. And then you can measure each trade one by one and see the exact ranges and develop an exact strategy on that. That's what an algorithm is.